All right, we're going to make this video incredibly quickly today, and quite frankly, another scam email is going around. If we take a look below, we'll see a little attachment from the email that was sent to me. How do we know it's fake? Well, quite frankly, I don't know PayPal or Coinbase using personal Gmail accounts to reach out to people. Next, let's take a look at the attachment. What looks to be a pretty good fake PayPal receipt. It says, thank you for your order, the bill of receipt number, the invoice number. Wouldn't those be the same? Doesn't matter. The date, the time, what would be my email, but I tried to blur it out for privacy reasons. And then right here, thank you for using PayPal. Your account has been charged $351.24. And apparently it's been used through Coinbase. This is fake, 100% fake. Yes, it looks legitimate, but it is fake. Second, and this is a small one, the names don't match. What do we got over here? And then what do we got over here? Kristen, not Kristen. Kristen, not Kristen. So two different names in the email. Pretty confusing. And finally, anytime a company tries to scare you into calling them and they give you a contact number, it's always worth going to the source. So I am on PayPal's website right here. Here is their contact support number right here. Pretty easy. If we compare it to what we ended up having with the scam email, that attachment, it does not match up at all. The phone number they gave us was a 805 number. PayPal's customer support number is an 888 number. So guys, be careful. Don't fall for this stuff. Warn your friends and family members of these scams so this way they don't lose their crypto and you don't lose your crypto. And at the end of the day, hopefully this video was helpful. If it was, like, subscribe, leave a comment, take care, spike your hair, and I do hope you have a blessed day. Peace.